This is the all-at-home 35-inch waterproof vinyl apron, and this is perfect for watering cars as well as dog grooming, washing dishes, and gardening too. It has a nice adjustable neck strap. It also has a very long apron that you can tie up too. It's perfect when you're dressed nicely and you want to keep your clothes clean and dry. It has really strong stitching, and the ties wrap 40 inches around your waist. This deflects both water as well as oil too. The ties and neck strap are very durable, and it also comes with this bonus removable pad so you can put it on your neck for extra comfort as well. I was sent this from All at Home for evaluation purposes and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. This is also great for doing art projects, or in my case, gardening. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.